Chapter 2 Zero. Concept of zero. I have 4 cherries. I am eating 1 cherry. So I have 3 cherries. Now I am eating 1 more cherry. So I have 2 cherries now. Now I am eating 1 more cherry. So I have just 1 cherry now. I am eating the last cherry. Now all the cherries have been eaten. This means nothing or none. We read this as zero. We write this as zero. Look at the pictures. There are no man in the car. We can say that there is 0 man in the car. The number of no object is 0. 0 is the numeral for the number 0.